everyone, welcome to another day in my life. As soon as the alarm rings, I woke up today and today I woke up at 8 am. After that I went straight to the bathroom and did all the morning rituals like got freshen up, brush my teeth and all. After that I came to my room and did exactly what I usually do, like open up all the curtains and window and spend some me time, and I love looking at my window, like it's just so green and beautiful. Then I quickly started cleaning and making my bed, cause cleaning your bed sets the tone of your day, like exactly how your day will be, and I positively believe in it. After that I came downstairs and made myself a hot cup of green tea. As you all already know, I have been skipping milk tea as a first thing in the morning, and instead of that I am having lemon water or green tea from now on. And while sipping on my tea, I am planning and making a to-do list and a list for the things that I need to film today. After making the to-do list, I came upstairs again to do workout, and I have been following this workout session on YouTube. It's very basic but yet very fun. I remember I used to work out for abs when I was in college, and once I got abs I just stopped doing it. I don't know why, but it feels good to be back. And with that we are done. Now we're gonna go downstairs and prepare for breakfast. And today I am making choco banana cake in breakfast in this new Agaro Galaxy digital air fryer. I'm gonna be making something in this air fryer for the first time, so let's know it better and let's know its feature first, then we're gonna use it. It has a very sleek model and a very steady hardy handle. It is very easy to open the basket, and the capacity of this basket is 4.5 liter. It is not a double basket air fryer, but it comes with a tray and it is very easy to remove and clean the tray, which is why it is so convenient. It has a pretty much long cord and it comes with 16 MPa power plug. It's a digital air fryer. It comes with digital display and touch screen. As soon as you switch it on, you will see the power button and you have to turn it on. It comes with 7 preset and 1 reheat option for different type of food cooking, and we can change and control the preset by clicking the M option. Also on the left side we have temperature plus minus option, and on the right side we can plus minus the time. Also I love the fact that it comes with pocket handle, which is why we can easily uplift it, move it and keep it wherever we want to keep it. I love the fact that it comes with this extended plastic thingy in the back so that it does not touches or creases the wall behind it. Now that I have figured out how to use it, let's prepare for our choco banana cake. Okay, so I took 4 bananas. First I'm gonna peel it all and then I'm gonna mash them with the help of this fork spoon until the consistency looks something like this. After that I'm gonna add half cup of melted butter and mix it well. And now I am adding very little amount of milkmaid. I love using milkmaid in things, but you can definitely skip it. After that I am adding very decent amount of sugar powder, only 2 tablespoons because I don't like way too sweet things. After that I'm gonna add half cup of flour in a small amount and keep mixing it until the consistency becomes semi-thick. And now I am adding half tablespoon of baking powder and some choco chip and mixing it well, and with that we are pretty much done to put it in the air fryer. Also I have sprayed out some good amount of butter over this container. Now I'm gonna transfer the batter into it, and lastly I'm gonna add some more choco chip and dry fruits to make it look more prettier. The air fryer comes with a recipe book which has all the details like which preset to choose for what kind of food, and I have changed the preset to cake option using the M button. As you can see, it is blinking. The preset is already set at 160 degrees Celsius and 25 minutes. I'll keep the temperature same but going to reduce the time to 20 minutes and press the power button to start cooking. The time is reducing, as you can see, still 8 minutes left. Meanwhile, I'm gonna cut some fruits to have it with my banana cake in breakfast. Okay, 20 minutes done. Now let's open it and see how she looks. Oh my god, she looks pretty. It is fully baked and looks so yummy, delicious. I never thought I could bake cake this good in one go. Now let's have my very cute, demure, cutesy breakfast while doing some work. Currently, I am editing 2 long YouTube videos. Also, just to let you know, I have lost most of the clips from my birthday vlog, but I managed to got some from my families and rest I have recreated. So you will see a birthday vlog very soon. After editing 1.5 video, I quickly went to take a shower cause my mom is cooking chicken in the lunch and I can't wait to have it. And here is my very simple yet very delicious and yummy lunch. I have some rice, salad and chicken. I love how my mom cooks chicken. It is like the best thing in the world to have. After having lunch, I took 1.5 hour rest and now I am going to organize and clean my wardrobe. It is so full right now. I need to clean it. It is looking so bad. I need to declutter and separate few things that I don't wear or don't need anymore. Also, I have few brand new clothes that I received in PR and planning to sell them on my Instagram because clearly I don't have any more space and this is going to take me a while. So these are some pieces that I am planning to sell and most of them are brand new. So if you're someone interested, you can follow me on Instagram, leaving my ID on screen. Currently it is 4:30 but it is already so dark outside. I can feel the cold of the winter as well as the warmth. But do you guys know what time is it? Yes, it is tea time and this is the only time I am having milk tea in a day. I'll let my tea boil, but before that, can you guys see that shelf behind me? We recently installed it here to hang all my cups, but before that, let me show you my cup collection that I have here. All of them are so pretty and so close to my heart. I can't wait to have more cups in my collection. Now let's organize them. Currently it is 6:30 and my mom asked me to go crazy and put lights in every corner of our house because of course Diwali. I don't like this multicolor light. I like that yellow warm miniature light, but anyways it's fine. I mean it's Diwali and this is how I have spent the whole evening by putting lights in every corner. And this is how I have spent rest of my evening by scrolling and saving fall outfits on Pinterest and editing rest of the unedited videos. And my day comes to an end and this is how I have spent rest of the day. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. If you do, please leave a sweet comment and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.